Tommy and I have never been to Fargo, but we built a wood chipper.
This might help.
It works. We found a good running mower on Facebook Marketplace for $75, and it even came with a full tank of gas. But we had to drain the tank when we turned the mower on its side to do some of the welding. We had scrap pipe and flat bar laying around. Next, we had to determine which way the blade spins, and then we used a hole saw to make an opening opposite of the grass outlet. Welded the pipe into place and stood the mower up on its side. Next, we welded the flat bar to the underside of the mower deck so that it is a stopper for the sticks that you are pushing in. That way the blade knocks them down. Works great.